Do you know what drinks can help heal your kidneys? A fascinating question, isn't it? Our kidneys are the unsung heroes of our bodies, constantly purifying our blood and removing waste products. But just like any hero, they need a little support. That's where certain drinks come into play. They can provide key nutrients and compounds that help our kidneys function at their best. So, are you ready to give your kidneys the boost they need? Stay tuned to discover the 10 drinks that can help heal your kidneys. Number 1 on our list is cranberry juice. Cranberry juice, a vibrant and refreshing drink, is more than just a delightful beverage. It's a natural health booster, especially for your kidneys. The kidneys perform the vital function of filtering waste from our bloodstream and maintaining the body's fluid and electrolyte balance. Now, here's where cranberry juice steps in. This ruby red potion is packed with antioxidants and unique compounds like A-type proanthocyanidins, which can prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, thereby reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. This is particularly beneficial for the kidneys, as it helps maintain their health and function. Moreover, cranberry juice plays a significant role in preventing kidney stones. It reduces the buildup of excess calcium oxalate, one of the primary culprits behind most kidney stones. By inhibiting the crystallization of this compound, it helps keep your kidneys clear of these painful formations. So, consider adding cranberry juice to your diet for its remarkable kidney benefits. Next on our list is apple cider vinegar. A common household staple, apple cider vinegar is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a potent detoxifier for your kidneys. Wondering how? Well, it's all about the acetic acid content. This powerful compound works to flush out toxins from your body, aiding your kidneys in their vital job. But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar also plays a significant role in balancing your body's pH level. A balanced pH level is essential for optimal kidney function, helping them to effectively filter your blood. So every time you sip on a glass of water with a dash of apple cider vinegar, remember, you're doing your kidneys a huge favor. And guess what? This vinegar is not just about detoxification and pH balance. It also offers a plethora of other health benefits, from aiding digestion to boosting your immune system. Apple cider vinegar, a versatile ingredient with multiple health benefits including kidney health. Third on our list, we have lemon juice. This tangy delight comes with a plethora of health benefits, particularly for your kidneys. The citric acid in lemon juice plays a significant role in preventing kidney stones. It achieves this by increasing urine volume and pH level, creating a less favorable environment for kidney stone formation. But the goodness of lemon juice doesn't stop there. This citrusy miracle is also known for its ability to aid in digestion. It stimulates the liver to produce bile, which is an acid required for digestion. This way, it helps your body break down food more effectively, easing the workload on your kidneys. Moreover, lemon juice serves as a natural detoxifier. It flushes out unwanted materials and toxins from the body, ensuring your kidneys are in optimal health. So the next time you reach for a drink, consider a fresh glass of lemon juice. Not only will it quench your thirst, but it will also provide a punch of kidney health benefits. Lemon juice, a refreshing drink with a punch of kidney health benefits. Fourth on our list is red bell pepper juice. This vibrant, tasty juice packs a powerful punch when it comes to kidney health. Red bell peppers are a remarkable source of vitamin C, which can help protect the kidneys from potential damage. They also have a high water content, ensuring that your kidneys remain well hydrated and functioning at their best. But the benefits don't stop there. Red bell peppers are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, making this juice an excellent choice for those looking to reduce inflammation in their kidneys. The antioxidants found in these peppers can also help in flushing out harmful toxins from your body, further promoting kidney health. And the best part? This juice is incredibly easy to make at home. All you need are fresh red bell peppers and a juicer. So why not give this kidney-friendly drink a try? Red bell pepper juice, a unique drink with impressive benefits for your kidneys. Fifth on our list, we have beet juice. Now, this isn't just a colorful addition to your diet. It's a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. Beets are packed with a unique antioxidant known as betaine. This compound is a real game changer for your kidneys. Here's why. Betaine helps increase the acidity of your urine. This might sound a little off-putting, but it's actually a good thing. An acidic urine environment helps prevent the formation of kidney stones, one of the most common kidney ailments. By regularly consuming beet juice, you're giving your kidneys a helping hand in maintaining this optimal acidic environment. But the benefits of beet juice don't just stop at your kidneys. This vibrant red drink is a nutrient-rich elixir that's also beneficial for your heart, liver, and even your brain. So why not add a glass of beet juice to your daily routine? Beet juice, a vibrant drink that's not only good for your kidneys but also for your overall health. Sixth on our list, and perhaps the most essential, is water. Often overlooked in its simplicity, water is the unsung hero of kidney health. It's the clear, refreshing lifeline your kidneys need to function optimally. The kidneys are like a super efficient waste management system. They work tirelessly to filter your blood, sifting out waste products and excess substances. But to do this effectively, they need a steady supply of water. Without adequate hydration, the filtering process can become sluggish, which can lead to the buildup of harmful toxins in your body. Moreover, staying well hydrated helps prevent kidney stones and urinary tract infections, conditions that can cause significant damage to your kidneys over time. So, while it may not be as exotic as cranberry juice or as trendy as apple cider vinegar, don't underestimate the power of good old-fashioned H2O. Water, the simplest yet most crucial drink for your kidneys. Seventh on our list is blueberry juice. Can you believe that this sweet, tangy liquid has a host of benefits for your kidneys? That's right. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants known as anthocyanins, which give the berries their distinctive blue color. But the benefits don't stop at the color. These anthocyanins help protect the kidneys from potential damage by combating harmful free radicals in your body. But wait, there's more. Blueberries also have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can often be a culprit behind kidney damage, and these little berries are here to fight that. They work to reduce inflammation, thus keeping your kidneys in good health. If you're looking for an easy way to incorporate this into your diet, just grab a glass of blueberry juice in the morning. You'd be surprised how this simple change can contribute to your overall kidney health. Blueberry juice, a delicious drink packed with kidney-protecting antioxidants. Enjoy this refreshing beverage, knowing that with each sip, you're taking care of your kidneys. Eighth on our list, we have dandelion tea. Now, this might come as a surprise to some, but this humble weed, often dismissed as a garden nuisance, is actually a powerhouse of health benefits, especially for your kidneys. Dandelion tea is a fantastic herbal drink that's been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. One of its key strengths lies in its ability to aid in kidney detoxification. It acts as a diuretic, increasing urine output and helping your kidneys clear out waste, salt, and excess water. This maintains the delicate balance of fluid in your body while also guarding against water retention. But that's not all. Dandelion tea can also play a significant role in preventing urinary tract infections. By increasing urine production, it continually flushes out bacteria from the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infections. So next time you see those dandelions growing in your backyard, give them a second look. Dandelion tea, a herbal drink with impressive benefits for your kidneys. Ninth on our list is ginger tea. A cup of this warm and comforting beverage isn't just a treat for your taste buds. It's a bundle of health benefits packed into a mug, especially for your kidneys. Ginger, the primary ingredient in this tea, is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can lead to kidney damage over time, but ginger tea can help combat this. By reducing inflammation, it indirectly aids in maintaining healthy kidney function. But that's not all. Ginger is also a powerful antioxidant, combating the harmful free radicals that can cause damage to your kidneys and other organs. These antioxidant properties help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, further boosting their health and function. And if you're worried about taste, fret not. Ginger tea strikes a beautiful balance between spicy and sweet, making it a delightful addition to your daily routine. So not only does it boost your kidney health, but it also pleases your palate. Ginger tea, a warm and soothing drink that's good for your kidneys. Last but not least, we have turmeric tea. This golden-hued marvel is not just a spice that adds flavor to your favorite dishes, but it's also a superstar when it comes to kidney health. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which is known for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Inflammation, as we know, can lead to kidney damage if not properly managed. But with the help of turmeric, this inflammation can be kept at bay, thus providing a protective shield for your kidneys. Moreover, the antioxidant properties of turmeric are also commendable. Antioxidants are vital for our health as they combat free radicals, the harmful byproducts of metabolism that can cause damage to our cells, including those in our kidneys. By neutralizing these free radicals, turmeric helps in reducing the risk of kidney-related ailments. So brew a warm cup of turmeric tea and give your kidneys the care they deserve. Turmeric tea, a golden drink with powerful kidney health benefits. And there you have it, the 10 drinks that can help heal your kidneys. From the antioxidant-rich cranberry juice, to the detoxifying apple cider vinegar, the vitamin C-packed lemon juice, and all the way to the anti-inflammatory turmeric tea. Each one of these drinks offers unique benefits for your kidney health, so why not add them to your daily routine? Remember, your kidneys are vital for your overall health, so take good care of them. Until next time, stay healthy.